Case title, People of the Philippines versus Ernesto Montilla y Cariaga, GR number 198449, November 22nd, 2021, Gaerlan. Doctrine. To successfully invoke self-defense, the accused must prove the presence of unlawful aggression, reasonable necessity of the means employed, and lack of sufficient provocation. In the absence of unlawful aggression, the plea of self-defense must fail. Additionally, treachery qualifies a killing to murder when the attack is sudden and unexpected, leaving the victim no chance to defend themselves. Facts. Ernesto Montilla was charged with murder for the killing of Ranie Lapidante on August 20th, 1999. Montilla and his co-accused, Duay, conspired to kill Lapidante. Montilla shot the victim in the abdomen using a homemade firearm inside Duay's house, where the victim had been invited for a meeting. Montilla claimed self-defense, asserting that the victim drew a gun, and in the ensuing struggle, the gun went off, hitting the victim. The trial court convicted Montilla of murder, and the Court of Appeals affirmed the conviction. Issue 1. Whether Montilla acted in self-defense. 2. Whether treachery qualified the killing as murder. The Supreme Court ruled that Montilla's claim of self-defense was untenable. The prosecution established that the attack on the victim was deliberate and unprovoked. Montilla's defense of self-defense lacked merit as there was no unlawful aggression on the part of the victim. The victim was unarmed and caught off guard when Montilla suddenly shot him, which negated the claim of self-defense. Furthermore, the court found that the killing was qualified by treachery. Montilla's attack was sudden and unexpected, giving the victim no opportunity to defend himself or retaliate. The court affirmed the imposition of the penalty of reclusion perpetua and modified the damages to include civil indemnity, moral damages, exemplary damages, and temperate damages. Disposition, wherefore, the appeal is dismissed. The decision of the Court of Appeals finding Ernesto Montilla guilty of murder and imposing the penalty of reclusion perpetua is affirmed with modification. Montilla is ordered to pay the heirs of the victim the amounts of $75,000 as civil indemnity, $75,000 as moral damages, $75,000 as exemplary damages, and $50,000 as temperate damages, with 6% interest per annum from finality until fully paid.